Yeah, so guys, listen, this whole thing about life, living your life, there's so many different things you need to do, right? But you know what you need to do, you're just not doing them. So let me give you 21 things that you should be doing, okay? 21, I'm probably gonna give you more. We're gonna do it really fast. Here we go. Number 1, you need to eat healthy. Number 2, you need to exercise every day. Number 3, you need to drink a lot of water. Number 4, you need to treat people the exact way that you want to be treated. Number 5, you need to say your prayers every night before you go to bed. Pray to God that you wake up the next morning alive. Number 6 or 7, you need to make sure that you look left, you look right, and you look left again before you walk across the street. Number 7 or 8, guys, you need to make sure that you're making a lot of money, which I'm gonna go into in the next video. Number 9, you make sure you call your mom and your dad every day. I don't care if you haven't spoken to them in 10, fucking 50, 20 years. You call your mom and dad, you get in touch with them every day. You thank God that they made you, because without them, you would not be alive. Okay, the next thing you need to do, number 10, number 11, you guys need to make sure that you're taking a shower every day. Clean your body. Exfoliate your whole body every day. Take a cold shower, take a hot shower, take a cold shower. 2 to 3 minutes every day. Number 10, number 11, make sure that you hug and kiss people. Make sure that you socialize with people and thank them for just being alive. Number 12, number 13, number 14, whatever number you're on, make sure that you go for a walk every day in nature. Take 20, 30 minutes every day, get the hell out of your office, your house, wherever the hell you are. Put down the phone and the computer, turn them fucking up, and go for a fucking walk, get some sun, breathe through your nose, get some oxygen. Number 15, number 16, whatever number we're on, make sure that you guys do exactly what you need to do every day to make sure that your family loves you. Take care of them and be nice to them. Number 15, number 16, number 17, whatever number you're on, make sure you thank people for anything. Just thank them. Say thank you so much for being who you are. Open a door for people, and regardless if they open it for you or not, or close it after you. The next thing you need to do, number 17, number 18, guys, you need to make sure that when you go out in public, that you are smiling and you're happy all the time. Even if you're in a bad mood, trick your mind, make sure that you're smiling and you're happy. Number 18, number 19, number 20, whatever number we're on, make sure that you are number 1, because without you, you can't take care of anybody else. Take care of you first. Number 19, number 20, number 21, guys, make sure that you absolutely every single day of your life say 10 times every day that I am amazing, I am awesome, I am phenomenal. And the number 1, I hope we're in number 21, is the thing you need to do every day is this. Make sure that you get up every morning, and the first thing you should do before you do anything, before you drink a cup of coffee, drink a cup of tea, drink a cup of water, take a shit, take a piss, whatever you do, get down on your knees, kiss the ground, look up in the sky, and I hope that somebody up there is listening. Kiss the ground, kiss the sky, and say, thank God, thank you. I am alive, I am breathing, I am alive, and I am free. I have 100% true freedom, and I can do whatever I want, whatever I want to do, whatever I want to do. Let me slow that down. Thank God every day. You kiss the ground, you kiss the sky. You say, thank God, I can do whatever I want to do, whenever I want to do it every day. And if you are not in that position where you can say that and you can actually do that, get up every morning and do whatever you want to do, click the link in my description, get me on a live call. In 1 minute, I'll show you how to do whatever you want to do, whenever